So in this video, we are going to make the scene and apply the materials to all of the parts. So first of all, I am going to press Shift A and I am going to add a plane and S to scale it and make it a lot bigger like that. Then Control A, apply the scale, tab and select these two edges and E to extrude along the Z axis like that. And select this edge, Control B and shades mode. Okay, so now I am going to apply the go to world, and here I am for the lighting I am going to use the HDRI, or we can also use here the sky texture 0.5. Go to the render properties, and under the render engine we have to select the cycle. So here under the world properties you can add the sky texture, or you can also use the environment texture if you have the HDRIs. So I am going to use the sky texture, and this is the strength I am going to use. Now go to the render properties and select the cycle, render engine cycle, and the feature set supported device GPU. And here for the sampling, I am going to check the noise. And now if this is my view and I want to render this view, I am going to press Control Alt and 0. So my camera is not added here. Shift A and I am going to add a camera and Control Alt and 0. So camera will lock this view, and we have to select everything, not this camera, not this one, and G. So basically we select this one and then press 1 and G and Z to move everything above the surface so it's not touching each other. Okay, so 0. So this is my camera view. I'm going to press N, and here under the view I am going to use the camera to view, lock this option, and now move my scene like that, or rotate it like that. Okay, and now go to the render viewport, this one. So now you can see the effect of the sky texture, and here under the output properties render engine I am going to activate it and crop to render. So now press Control and B and select this area. Now it will only render this region. Okay, and go to the world properties and we can tweak these properties. So this is the sky texture. Okay, so in this view I am going to select this body, and first of all go to material, add new material and name it. This will be the for the body, and here I'm going to make it a reddish one, and make it metallic. Also increase the roughness little bit. Now select this one, add new material, and we are going to basically use a light color. We can use the same color for these bodies and also for this one. Select this one. For this one, I'm going to assign the same material and make it a copy. and increase increase its saturation. So basically same material, and for this one, these two, I'm going to add a new material. We want to make it metallic. Also for this one, new material. For these tires, I'm going to make them black. For this knob, we are going to make it orange color. And for this one, use the same body material. Okay. Now we can render this one, and here I am going to change the sample of render to 50. Okay, that's it. And just apply the material according to your choice. It does not matter. And for this one, also this one is left. For this one, I'm going to make it not yellow. So basically white is looking good. Okay. And we can render this in. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Videos, I will make the animation of this aircraft. So thank you so much.